welcome to my video. We are going to be posting a video about Bailey, aka Dumbness. So, she is very tired right now. So, come over here, Dumbness, sniff the tree, do whatever you want, I don't care. No. You don't want to? Alright, that's fine. I am going to show you a Mr. Beast bar. I have a Mr. Beast bar here that I got today, and I'm going to eat it because it's good. Good stuff. Very healthy for you. Oh, she got up. She got up. Come here. She got up. There she is. She finally got up. Come over here. Come. You're gonna go on. No. No!